Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable power saving mode in our phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of our phone here. Then go to battery. And here you will find power saving option. Just turn on this button to enable power saving. See here, now battery duration has been increased. Okay, 2 days 14 hours left. Okay, so if you enable power saving mode, less power will be used for our phone. Okay, if you turn off this button, if you disable power saving mode, then battery will left 1 day to 23 hours. Okay, so battery discharging will be fast. Okay, so if you would like to reduce battery usage and if you would like to have longer life of battery, you can always consider using power saving mode. Okay, just to turn on this button to enable power saving mode. In this way you can easily enable power saving mode or disable power saving mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.